up, guys? If you're like me and you like something like a laptop, which is really small and powerful, you can bring it anywhere, the size of an A4 paper, you might want to have a look at this laptop. This is the ASUS ZenBook UX333. So, without further ado, let's show what's in the box that comes with the laptop. So right over here, we have the laptop. This is in Burgundy Red, and it came in the box as well, the laptop sleeve, microfiber cloth, a USB to Ethernet converter, as well as a really tiny power brick, power charger, which is really nice. Let me just tell you guys a little bit more about the laptop. This laptop comes with an Intel Core i7 as well as an MX 150, which means this laptop is not only tiny but also very powerful. So before we continue, I'm Natasha and welcome to TechNave Unboxings and First Impressions. Alright, let's just start off with the things that I liked about this laptop, and there is a lot of it. So number one, this laptop is small and compact, the size of an A4 paper, and it's also very convenient to travel with. I remember I was traveling outstation through the airport, and putting this in my backpack and bringing it out was just a breeze. Take it out, put it on security, and just go. You can bring it anywhere, you can work with it anywhere. It's such a breeze to work with. So if you're like me and you want to work as you go, this would be the laptop for you, because my work not only just covers writing, but I'm also editing videos as well. So editing videos, it does require something a little bit more powerful, and this laptop has something that is just that. It's not as powerful as your conventional PC, but it does the job with the i7 Intel Core as well as the MX 150. I tried editing with this, and about a 7-minute video took about just around 3 minutes to render, which is pretty nice. Number three, let's talk about slim bezels. So even though this laptop is small, this laptop does come with a huge screen to body ratio because of the really slim bezels on the inside. So the sides come with 2.8mm bezels, and despite it being that slim, the webcam is still embedded on the top here, and it still delivers superb quality. So because of that, you can see more and do more on the laptop. And did I mention to you this has a 95% screen to body ratio? Yeah, it's pretty impressive. So while we're on the topic of me editing videos on this display on this comes very accurate. It has a really crisp and clear display, and it's not super color accurate, but it comes pretty close, which is really useful when you're editing videos or even your photos. So next up, Ergo Lift Hinge. So now you guys are wondering, what the heck is Ergo Lift Hinge? Okay, so let me just show you guys. So when you open up your laptop, the lid actually pushes up your keyboard, increasing the height by 3 degrees, making it more comfortable for you to type on, which is really nice because I don't really like typing on laptops so much usually because it's so flat, but this one has a little bit of an angle, which kind of is easy on the wrist. Also, Ergo Lift also helps out, which goes to our next point. Let's talk about ports in general. This laptop comes with a lot of ports. You have the micro USB reader, you have 2 USB Type A ports, a Type C reader, as well as a audio jack, which is really nice. So you don't have to worry too much about needing a certain port or jack to transfer files because everything is pretty much here. And if say that you are looking for your Ethernet cable, you want to go on the internet, this laptop doesn't come with it there, but it does give you an Ethernet port to Type A converters. So the next one, this is the last one that I found very interesting because I don't think I've seen a laptop who has this before. So this laptop, because it's very small, you can see here it doesn't come with a number pad, and I'm sure most of you guys who are working, especially if you guys do a lot of number work, you guys do need a number pad. So this laptop actually comes with a dual touchpad. So how it works is you guys press down on this and a lit up number pad will show up on this, which kind of works like your calculator, like a number pad in general, which is really nice. So you can have it all, kind of tagline here, because you can have portability and you can also have your number pad. Nothing's compromised. Now, let's talk about things that I don't really like, and let me just tell you, there's not a lot that I don't like about this particular laptop, but there are a few trade-offs that you can get from, you know, a compact and powerful laptop. Number one being the keyboard. So of course I mentioned earlier, it doesn't come with the number pad, but you have to remember there are some keys which are made smaller as well, like say this shift key right over here. I tend to misclick on it because it's very tiny and it's hard for me. It's gonna take time for me to get used to, so there's a little bit warning about that. Last one. Okay, so this is something I'm kind of like sad about. The touchpad is unfortunately not as sensitive. It rarely happens, but it is there though. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like this laptop, dislike this laptop? Is burgundy red a really nice color? Let me know in the comments and tag your friend. So that's all for today. I'm Natasha and I'll see you guys next one. Ciao.